Smita. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I decorated my boyfriend's graduation cap. I don't have the cap with me, but I'll insert some pictures here and some videos so you guys can see how it turned out. I'm sorry for this intro being vlog style. I'm just running late to the airport, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this DIY, let me know in the comments down below. Hit that like button and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. I really enjoy doing DIY, so if you guys have anything that you would like me to make, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. The first thing I'm doing here is drawing out some squares that I can use as templates to see how I'm going to lay everything out on the graduation cap. I'm drawing 3 different styles and I'm comparing it to the one I had already made previously for myself to see which one I like better. So I decided to go with a white cardstock for the graduation cap, but it was not big enough, so I decided to attach 2 of them together using masking tape on the back and making it bigger. The next step was to measure the graduation cap against the cardstock and draw a square around it. I then went ahead and used an X-Acto knife to cut this through. Also, I would recommend that at this step you cut out the hole in the graduation cap before continuing on to your design. I divided the graduation cap into 3 sections. The first section is going to be a medical staff. The second section is going to be a brain. And the third section is going to be my boyfriend's fraternity letters. I am looking for the brain that I could copy. I just googled black and white brain drawing and I picked the one I liked, and then I measured it against the paper and the section I had for the brain image, and then I just traced it over. The last section is from the fraternity letters. I decided to measure out how much space I had and then measure out how big each individual letter would be. Next up is a ribbon that is going to divide each of the sections. I drew the circle first, and then I went ahead and measured how much ribbon I needed from the edge of the cap to the circle, which now I look back at it and I made a mistake. I should have cut out the circle first before measuring the ribbon, but I made it work in the end. To cut out the circle and to measure the circle, I actually used the cap of the puffy paint, which was actually a perfect size for the hole that I needed for the graduation cap. Once everything was done, I just popped a hole through the button of the graduation cap and I aligned it where I wanted it to be. I then used a hot glue gun to glue it down. You have to be careful because the heat does go through the paper and you could burn yourself very easily. I then realized that I needed a little bit more ribbon to cover the entire hole, and I just went back and added it on top. You couldn't tell because it was just laying on top of each other. And here's the end result. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope these gave you inspiration to do your own graduation cap. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.